Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi parents and kids, today we are going to have fun singing the ABCs and learning phonics together. Kids, get ready to sing and repeat after me. And parents, enjoy the learning moments with your little ones. Let's get started. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for frog, frog. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for loin, loin. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for wolf, wolf. X is for box, box. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.